It's a pair of finches. How we doing? Haven't seen you guys. I've heard you, but I haven't seen you too often. Oh, okay. We'll work on the roll. Let me back that up so we get a little better focus. Hi, buddy. Good to see you too. Good to see you. What about your friend? Looking pretty spiffy. That's a perfect spot, right, buddy? That's Missy. Yeah, I think she's a little paler yellow. Alright, we're working on that. Okay. Good to see you guys. I guess one took off or it's hiding. Might have moved to another feeder. Well, good to see ya.